Hello, hi everyone, and welcome to Regional Flavors. Today's vlog is a travel vlog, and we'll be traveling to a small village called Shishila. This village is in Dakshina Karnataka district in Beltangudi Taluk. This is Kapila River, and on the bank of the Kapila River, we have a beautiful temple called Sri Shishileshwara Temple. This temple is 108 kilometers from Mangalore and 32 kilometers from Dharmasthala. There is a beautiful bridge here, and we will have to cross this bridge to reach the temple. This is the Kapila River, and you can see the temple over there on the banks of the river Kapila. There is a speciality of this temple. There are so many devotees who come here and they feed the fish. So these are the fish found in the Kapila River, and they are called as Mahashir. So people come here and they feed the fish, and there are so many. I've crossed the bridge, and you can see a few shops nearby. We can even get the fish feed from these shops. This is the entrance of Sri Shishileshwara Temple. So people feed the fish from here as well. There are so many. I think you can just have a look. These are the rice flakes. So we got it from the shop nearby. Just keep watching this. It looks very interesting. If anybody is suffering with skin related problems, then there is a belief that if we come and worship at Sri Shishileshwara Temple, and also when we feed the fish in the Kapila River, that is when we feed this Mahashir, we can get rid of any skin related ailments. So that is a belief of Sri Shishileshwara Temple. The Naivedyam from the temple is also offered to the fish every day. The pujari comes and does the puja, and the food is offered. We had a very good time in feeding the fish, and we were just about to go back, and we came across this beautiful scenery. So look at the sunset and these cute birds flying towards their destination. It's such a scenic beauty actually. So we just started walking towards the other side of the road, and we could see a small portion of the lake. So we just thought of spending some time here. This is such a beautiful place. We can see all small rocks. So this is the Kapila river, and this later joins with river Netravati. This is such a beautiful place to be. I can even see small tiny Mahashir. So we just enjoyed this place a lot. So hope even you enjoyed my video. Thank you so much for watching Regional Flavors Vlogs.